नमस्कार दोस्तों, कैसे हैं आप लोग। मेरा नाम फरूक कुमार है और मैं आप लोग को यहाँ पर एडुटेरिया का करंट अफेयर्स पढ़ा हूँ, जो कि आपका ये करंट अफेयर्स 2022 का ईयरली मैगजीन है। और इससे हम लोग नवंबर 2021 से लेके नवंबर 2022 तक का इसमें पढ़ेंगे। तो चलिए स्टार्ट करते हैं। आज हम पढ़ेंगे फरवरी 2022 का करंट अफेयर्स। तो आपका यहाँ पर है खिजड़िया खिजड़िया बर्ड सेंचुरी फ्रॉम गुजरात एंड बाखीरा वाइल्ड लाइफ सेंचुरी फ्रॉम उत्तर प्रदेश वेर included in the Ramsar list. With this, the number of wetlands in India included in the Ramsar list has grown up to 49. So Khijadia Bird Sanctuary and from Gujarat and Bakhira Wildlife Sanctuary from Uttar Pradesh were included in the Ramsar list. With this, the number of wetlands in the India included in the Ramsar list has gone up to 49. On February 5th, Prime Minister Narendra Modi unveiled a 216 feet tall statue of the 11th century Bhakti Sant Rama Jacharya in Hyderabad. It will call the Statue of Equality. This idol is made of Panchaloha, gold, silver, copper, brass, and zinc. The the Tavalu of Uttar Pradesh has been selected as the best Tavalu among the 12 state youths which participated in the Republic Day parade on 26 January 2022. The Tavalu of the Uttar Pradesh was based on the theme One District, One Product and Kashi Vishwanath Dham. ठीक है। नेक्स्ट आपका इंडिया सेकंड एंड द वर्ल्ड थर्ड लार्जेस्ट क्रिकेट स्टेडियम इज बीइंग कंस्ट्रक्टेड एट जयपुर इन राजस्थान एट प्रेजेंट द नरेंद्र मोदी स्टेडियम अहमदाबाद इज द लार्जेस्ट क्रिकेट स्टेडियम इन द वर्ल्ड। नेक्स्ट आपका इंडिया फर्स्ट बायोमास बेस्ड हाइड्रोजन प्लांट इज बीइंग सेट अप एट खांडवा इन मध्य प्रदेश। इट विल प्रोड्यूस 1 ton of hydrogen from 30 tons of biomass per day. Prime Minister Narendra Modi inaugurated Asia's largest bio-CNG plant, Govardhan plant, at Indore in Madhya Pradesh. It will have a capacity of 550 tons per day. Next, आपका India has become the first country in the world to introduce a DNA vaccine called Zycovid-D vaccine COVID-19. The vaccine has been produced by Ahmedabad-based Zydus Cadila company. Next, the 9.02 kilometer long tunnel was recognized as the longest highway tunnel in the world by the World Book of Records. It is located at an altitude of 10,000 feet in the eastern Pir Panjal range on the Leh Manali highway. It passes through Rohtang Pass. Next, after India's first bullet train. India's first bullet train will be set up in Gujarat by December 2024. India's first bullet train will start between Mumbai and Ahmedabad. Next है Jiva program launched by NABARD in 11 states. तो Jiva program launched by NABARD in 11 states. Objective क्या to promote eco-friendly natural farming under watershed and WADI program projects related to tribal development. Hope Express is a kind of state. So Hope Express is a kind of state of the art mosaic 3D radiation machine launched by the Health Minister of Maharashtra. To objective क्या to take measures for prevention of cancer in the state. Next है Union Road Transport Minister Nitin Gadkari and Bihar Chief Minister Nitish Kumar inaugurated the rail cum road bridge over Ganga River in Munger district, Bihar. The bridge is built on NH 333B and the total length of the project is 14.5 km. The Ministry of Railways has approved the setting up of India's largest wrestling academy at Kishanganj, Delhi to promote wrestling. Next का मारू महोत्सव. तो मारू महोत्सव was organized at Jaisalmer in Rajasthan from February 13 to 16. Under this, regional folk dances were displayed. Mandu Festival, Madhya Pradesh. The Medaram Jatara festival was organized by the Koya tribe in Telangana from February 16 to 19. For this, 2.26 crore was allocated by the Union Ministry of Tribal Affairs. It is the second largest fair in Asia. The new India Literacy Program for the period 2020-27 was launched by the Ministry of Education. Its aim is to promote adult education, and the government has transformed adult education to education for all. India's Ayurvedic company Dabur India has become the India's first plastic waste neutral company. It achieved this feat by recycling about 27,000 metric of plastic waste during the year 2021 and 2022. Next आपका the Union Minister of Power R.K. Singh has set a target of zero diesel use and use of renewable energy in the agriculture in India by 2024. Rajasthan stood first in terms of solar power based electrification household under the Subhagya scheme Agri Infinity program. The Agri Infinity program by YESBEC objective क्या to promote digital financing for the agriculture sector. The carbon park is being constructed at Bagamun in Idukki district of Kerala. The park has all the necessary facilities for the comfort of the people such as internet, kitchen, sofa, bridge, etc. etc. will be available. Next आपका the Assam government launched India's first night navigation mobile application for ferry services on the Brahmaputra river in Guwahati. The first journey of the night with this navigation system was made between Guwahati and North Guwahati. Indian Railway will construct India's first cable-stayed railway bridge over Anji River in Riyasi district of Jammu and Kashmir, and the bridge will be constructed under the Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla rail link project. In height will be 331 meters. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched Kisan Drone Yatra, an initiative of Garuda Aerospace, prepared for the spraying pesticide in the fields in several states of India. Under this, 100 Kisan drones have been installed in the 100 villages of 16 states of India. The Union Ministry of Culture and the Archaeological Survey of India organized a 2-day international conference between Devayatnam Bharatiya Mandir architecture at Hampi, Karnataka. It aims to preserve India's cultural heritage. Next आपका है the Delhi cabinet has approved the setting up of India's first electronic based eco park. The park will recycle e-waste in safe manner. Next आपका the 45th International Kolkata Book Fair was launched on 28 February. The focus country this year was Bangladesh. West to Wealth Creation Program launched by Small Industry Development Bank of India (CDB). Objective to encourage women in the Sundarbans of West Bengal to make jewellery and show pieces from fish scales. The Aravali Biodiversity Park at Gurugram in Haryana has been declared India's first other effective area-based conservation measure (OCM). The status OCM is given by the IUCN to those areas which conserve biodiversity but are not protected area. The Union Minister of Health and Family Welfare, Dr. Mansukh Mandaviya, launched intensive mission in Indradhanush 4.0. Its aim is to ensure complete immunization among children. This mission covers pregnant women and children. The world's largest igloo cafe has been opened at Gulmarg in Jammu Kashmir. This cafe is made of ice, which is called snow glue. It has a height of 37.5 feet and a width of 44.5 feet. Jammu and Kashmir has become the first union territory to join the single window clearance system. Through this, the industrial service have been made online so that the investor can apply for business. Darkathon 2022 was organized by Narcotics Control Bureau (NCB) in New Delhi on February 15. Objective to find solution to deal with drug trafficking. The Bihar government announced to observe 15th February as Martyrs' Day in memory of the 34 freedom fighters killed by the police in Munger in 1932. India's first level 3 mobile biosafety laboratory was set up at Nasik, Maharashtra. The aim is to check for new emerging viral disease in India. National Science Festival was jointly organized by National Institute of Technology and National Institute of Nutrition in Hyderabad. Project Arohan. The Project Arohan, the Assam government will launch the 4-year program in collaboration with the Tata Group. Its aim is to guide students and improve their skills. Next आपका the World Economic Forum (WEF) and the National Institute of Urban Affairs (NIUA) launched the Sustainable Cities India program. Under this, 5 to 7 cities of India will be decarbonized into 2 years. The first solar power plant of Indian Railways. The first solar power plant of Indian Railways has been launched in Madhya Pradesh. It will have a capacity of 1.7 megawatt. For the first time in India, the Oceans 2022 conference was organized by IIT Madras and National Institute of Ocean Technology. It is a biennial program of global marine researchers. Its objective is to discuss about tracking marine pollution, climate change, weather uncertainty, and theme inspire innovative sustain. Next आपका the Ministry of Education has extended the duration of the राष्ट्रीय उच्चतर शिक्षा अभियान दूसरा scheme till 2026. It was launched in 2013 with the objective of funding higher educational institutions. The T49 tunnel is being constructed by Indian Railways under the Udhampur Srinagar Baramulla rail link project, which will be the longest tunnel in the India. The length of this tunnel will be 12.758 kilometers. Minister of State for Culture and Parliamentary Affairs Arjun Ram Meghwal organized India's largest student career counseling 2022 in Bikaner, Rajasthan. More than 1 lakh students participated in this program. A training program for student and teachers was also organized here. The Delhi police has become the first police force in the country to launch a smart card arms license. Under this, a smart card will or not have to be kept with oneself in the place of the heavy arms license booklet. A Shastra app has also been introduced for this. नेक्स्ट आपका है द वर्ल्ड लार्जेस्ट बेल इज बीइंग constructed on the Chambal River from frontier Rajasthan. The weight of this bale is 82,000 kg. Next आपका the central government has banned for 54 Chinese apps under section 69A of the IT Act for forcing the threat to the country's security. Earlier 270 Chinese apps were banned in 2020. Next आपका finance minister Nirmala Sitharaman released the first color memory coin on Panchtantra composed by Vishnu Sharma. Union Minister of Port Shipping and Waterways set up Nickerson Sedan Dredging Museum at Visakhapatnam. It presents historical models of different types of dredging. Dredging is the technique of discharging the debris from water bodies. Vedanta Limited, world's gas and gas producer company, Karen has discovered oil reserve at Barmer in Rajasthan, which has been named Durga. Indian company Vedanta has tied up with Foxconn, a Taiwanese company, the world's largest electronics manufacturer to manufacture semiconductor in India. This will boost domestic manufacturing of electronics in India. Instagram has launched a take a break feature globally. Under this, people will help to get rid of social media addiction. The Chhattisgarh government has launched the Rajiv Gandhi Gramin landless agricultural laborers Nyaya Yojana. Under this, 66,000 will be provided to the landless farmer in 2 installments. On 22nd February 2022, Vigyan Sarvatra Pujayate program was organized by the Union Minister of Science and Technology in Madhya Pradesh. It was inaugurated by the President Ram Nath Kovind through virtual medium. It aims to attract students towards science. The state of Manipur has been connected by goods trains for the first time. The first good train reached Rani Gadendru station in Manipur. The Indian Army has organized the first of its kind hackathon Sanika Ranakestram at Mo in Himachal Pradesh. A session of experts were held for the training of the participants in this program. The Andhra Pradesh government launched SP Seva Portal 3.0 for better civic services. Through this, citizens living in remote areas can avail the benefits of government service sitting at home. Ministry of Culture has signed an agreement with SBI for development of Atmanirbhar Bharat Design Center. Its main objective is to promote Indian historical heritage and bring fame to GI products. जैसे आपका the Haryana cabinet has approved the anti-conversion bill. Through this bill, it has been proposed to ban the conversion of religion interstate. The government of Tamil Nadu constituted marine elite force at Nagapattinam to conserve biodiversity in the Gulf of Mannar and Gulf of Pak. Under this, the endangered species will be protected. Next, the country's first alcohol wine museum has been built in Goa. Alcohol showcases the culture of Goa. The taste of 500-year-old alcohol friendly attract tourists. The Prime Minister Museum has been constructed at the Teen Murti Bhavan in New Delhi. The museum showcases the lives of all former Prime Ministers. French Tech Open Summit program organized by Niti Aayog from February 7 to 28. The inaugurated by Union Ministry has been national objective to promote the French fintech company and its associated industries. Parvatmala scheme. Prime Minister Narendra Modi launched the scheme for the hilly region of India, Jammu and Kashmir, Uttarakhand, Himachal Pradesh, and northeastern state. Its objective is to expand local railways, cables, ropeway, etc. Center approves renaming of 3 places in Madhya Pradesh: Hosangabad, Narmadapuram, Bawai, Makhan Nagar, and Shivpuri कुंडेश्वर धाम, ठीक है. तो होशंगाबाद का नर्मदापुरम, बवाई का मखान नगर और शिवपुरी का कुंडेश्वर धाम. नेक्स्ट आपका इंडिया Press Freedom Report 2021 list of states that have targeted the media homes. फर्स्ट प्लेस जम्मू एंड कश्मीर। ठीक है, नेक्स्ट आपका इंडिया फर्स्ट वाटर टैक्सी सर्विस लॉन्च इन मुंबई। इट विल कनेक्ट नवी मुंबई विद द साउथ मुंबई एंड बिलापुर। द स्टेट फर्स्ट बायोडाइवर्सिटी पार्क हैज बीन ओपन इन द मंडी डिस्ट्रिक्ट ऑफ मध्य प्रदेश। इट्स एम टू प्रमोट ATMC to protect endangered plants. Odisha announces opening of a gene bank nursery for mangrove species. Its aim to conserve mangrove forest. The country's second highest first in Ladakh tree color has been hosted in Tawang, city of Madhya Pradesh. The tree color is located at the height of 10,000 feet and the length of the flag is 104 feet. The flag has been hosted at in Naganpa नाटमे बुद्धा पार्क इन तवांग। तो आज के लिए बस इतना ही। आप लोग का बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद। कल हम पढ़े आपका जनवरी का। ठीक है।